Welcome to Border Drip USA, your go-to source for the latest updates on U.S. immigration, visas, and green card processes. Let's get started. Renewing a green card is a routine process for most lawful permanent residents. However, many wonder whether they could face deportation while awaiting approval. Although having an expired green card does not automatically put you at risk of removal, certain circumstances, such as criminal convictions or immigration violations, can trigger deportation proceedings. In this video, we will explore the risks, potential triggers for deportation, and how to safeguard your legal status during the renewal process. Green Card Renewal Process. An overview: when renewing your green card, you must file Form I-90 application to replace permanent resident card. This process requires paying the necessary fees and, in most cases, attending a biometrics appointment where fingerprints and photographs are taken. USCIS uses this information for background checks to verify continued eligibility for permanent residency. After submitting your application and completing the biometrics appointment, USCIS provides a receipt notice that extends the validity of your green card while your renewal is processed. During this period, you can continue living and working in the U.S. and may also travel by obtaining a temporary stamp in your passport. However, USCIS conducts a thorough background review during this time, which could uncover issues that may lead to denial or deportation. Reasons why green card renewal could lead to denial or deportation. Criminal convictions and deportable offenses. USCIS reviews any criminal offenses committed after obtaining a green card. Certain crimes, such as multiple DUIs, theft, burglary, crimes of moral turpitude, domestic violence, fraud, or financial crimes, can make a green card holder deportable. If you have a criminal record, consulting both an immigration attorney and a criminal defense attorney is crucial before applying for renewal. Fraud or misrepresentation. If USCIS discovers that your green card was obtained through fraud or misrepresentation, such as providing false information, engaging in a fraudulent marriage, or committing financial fraud, you may face removal proceedings. Even if the fraudulent act occurred years ago, it can still be grounds for revocation during the renewal process. Extended time abroad and abandonment of residency. Spending extended periods outside the U.S. can raise concerns about residency abandonment. If you remain abroad for over a year without obtaining a re-entry permit, USCIS may presume you have relinquished your permanent resident status. Even if you re-enter the U.S. after a long absence, USCIS may scrutinize your renewal application and require evidence proving you maintained residency. Failure to notify USCIS of address changes. Green card holders must notify USCIS of address changes within 10 days of moving. Failing to update your address may not directly lead to denial but can result in missing critical notifications, such as requests for evidence, RFE, or interview notices. Ignoring these requests may lead to delays, denials, or even removal proceedings. What happens if USCIS flags your application? If USCIS identifies potential issues with your renewal, they may issue requests for evidence, RFE. USCIS will ask for additional documents to support your case. Notice of Intent to Deny, NOID, a formal warning indicating potential denial unless further evidence is provided. Notice to Appear, NTA. If serious concerns arise, USCIS may initiate removal proceedings, requiring you to appear before an immigration judge to argue your case. How to protect yourself during the renewal process. Apply for renewal early. Filing for renewal as soon as possible allows time to address potential issues before your current green card expires. Address legal issues before applying. If you have a criminal record, allegations of fraud, or extended absences from the U.S., consult an immigration attorney before submitting Form I-90. Legal guidance can help you prepare a strong case if complications arise. Maintain records of travel history. Keep detailed records of travel, including re-entry permits and travel itineraries, to prove you have maintained U.S. residency. Respond promptly to USCIS requests. If USCIS issues an RFE or NOID, respond promptly with all required documentation. Failure to provide requested information can lead to denial or even removal proceedings. What to do if you face removal proceedings. If you receive a notice to appear, you remain a lawful permanent resident until an immigration judge rules on your case. An experienced immigration attorney can help navigate the court process and present a strong defense to protect your residency status. Conclusion: renewing your green card is generally a straightforward process, but under the heightened scrutiny of the Trump administration, it is essential to be aware of potential risks. Criminal convictions, fraud, extended absences, or failure to update your address can complicate the renewal process and, in some cases, trigger deportation proceedings. By addressing potential issues before applying and seeking legal assistance when needed, you can protect your status and ensure a smooth renewal process. Staying informed about immigration policies, complying with U.S. laws, and responding to USCIS requests promptly can help safeguard your permanent residency. If you have concerns or face unexpected challenges, consulting an immigration attorney is highly recommended. Ensuring proper legal guidance can provide the support needed to navigate the green card renewal process successfully. That's all for today's update. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Border Drip USA for more immigration news and updates. Let us know your thoughts in the comments, and we'll see you in the next video.